Hi grade 2s! In this video we're going to do some number sense activities so you can follow along. In this first activity I'd like you to take a look at the tally and figure out how much this is representing. What number is this tally representing? So I see a group of 5 and then there's a 1. So 5 and 1 more is 6. Take a look at this one here. So a tally is made of the 4 sort of vertical lines and then the diagonal ones striking through. So that makes 5. Here in this group, there are 3 groups of 5 and 3 ones. So I have 5, 10, 15, and I know 15 plus 3 is 18. Now we've got a bigger number here. You can pause the video and figure out how much is that. You could figure this one out a few different ways. You could count by 5s and go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. You also could have grouped the 5s into 2 groups of 5s that make 10. So you could do that a few different ways. If you look at them vertically, they make really nice groups, sort of stacks that are 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, plus 4 is 34. Let's look at this one here. So again, you could do this either way. You could count by 5s or you could group them by 10s. Let's look at those 2 groups of 3. So we have 10, 20, 30, and then there's an extra 5 standing out. So 30 plus 5 is 35. Here's another group of tallies. You can pause and figure out how much is this representing. Let's count by 5s for this one. We'd go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then there are 2 more. 45 plus 2 more is 47. Now we're going to practice counting backward by 10, so say it out loud with me as we practice. So we'll start at 120. We're going a little past what's technically grade 2 math. We're going all the way up to 120, and we'll count back 10. So 120 minus 10 is 110, and then let's keep going. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Nice work. Let's do some skip counting here. So I've got a group of toonies. They are worth $2 each. You can pause the video and figure out how much is this worth. So you would count by 2s. You'd go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. $14. 7 groups of 2 is $14. Let's look at these ones here. So we've got some $5 bills. You can pause and figure out how much that is worth. What I would do for this one is I'd look at the groups of 2 5s because I know 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I just go down that column there going 10, 20, 30, 40, $40. Now we've got some $10 bills. How much is that worth? You could even just count the $10 bills, see 5 groups of 10, or we could count by 10s. We'd go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. $50. Lastly, I'd like you to take a look at these 2-digit numbers and tell me how many 10s and how many 1s there are. So how many 10s are in 35? So how many 1s are in 35? 5. And how many 10s are in 35? 3. How many 1s are in 46? 6. How many 10s are in 46? 4. How many 1s are in the number 5? 5. How many 10s are in the number 5? 0. How many 1s are in the number 60? 0. How many 10s are in the number 60? 6. How many 1s are in the number 84? 4. How many 10s are in the number 84? 8. How many 1s are in the number 13? 3. How many 10s are in the number 13? 1. Thanks for working on that math with me, grade 2s. Bye!